What's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be giving the wet look a try. I have low-key been a little bit scared to try this hairstyle out because I don't know, like I have just been nervous about it. I am not quite sure how like the whole wet look will look on me. I have a huge forehead. So I have been a little bit scared to try it out, but it looks so cute on like everybody. I just love like the whole just like slick back look, and I don't know, I'm super excited about trying it out, but also nervous. So y'all will see how the results end up turning out. I am working on freshly washed hair. For this hairstyle, I already went ahead and applied the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler, and I applied it all over. I detangled my hair and everything, so there should be no tangles at all in my hair at this point, and my hair feels super moisturized. And for my gel, I'll be using this bad boy here, the Wetline Extreme Gel with the green top. And then I also have some mousse, like some wrap mousse. It's the Care Foam Wrap Set Lotion. And then of course I have my usual tools like a rat tail comb, a brush, toothbrush for my edges, simple things like that. Oh, and also my spray bottle. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I have this small section of hair here that is nice and moisturized and detangled. So I'm gonna take my Wetline Extreme Gel and just take a huge glob of the gel. Y'all can see that I have a huge just glob of gel on my hands, and I'm going to start at the root like so. Just start at the root, and I'm going to smooth the gel all down my hair. And I want to make sure I really get those edges, not the edges, the roots, because this will help to keep everything nice and sleek, and it will kind of like mold to my head instead of it kind of going outwards. It'll kind of just lay sleek and lay flat. So I'm really making sure to hit those roots and then just smooth everything down. And then last but not least, I'll take my Denman brush and then also just brush everything downwards. So that way it lays nice and neat. And I'm going to give this a little bit of a bump. So I'm laying that down. And as you guys can see, it is laying pretty flat to my head, and it's nice and way down. So that's our first small section. All right, again, I have this section of hair here. I'm kind of working in small to medium sized sections. I don't think I have the energy to do like small sections all over my hair because that would take forever. So I'm gonna kind of pick and choose where I want to do smaller sections and the medium sized sections and go from there. So again, I'm taking a huge chunk of the gel. Y'all can see that. And I am applying it directly at the roots. And again, I'm just smoothing as I apply the gel. And I'll take my brush and I will brush downwards. And again, I'm just using my hands to smooth that section down. All right, and here's that section of hair. It's laying pretty flat. I also forgot to mention that whenever I am doing this process, I want to make sure my hair remains as wet as possible and as damp as possible. So if I feel a section that feels even slightly dry, I will go in and spray some water on it. So that way my hair is not frizzy at all. So like right here, my hair is feeling a little bit dry. So I'm just spraying some water to get it nice and wet. And then I will go in and apply the gel. That first bottom section of hair is done, and this is how it is looking in the back. It's laying nice and neat. We got the curls popping in the back. Before I move on to that next kind of like row of hair, I am going to take a bit of this foaming mousse, put it on my hands, put it in my hands, and just lay this section of hair down. Just so y'all can see what I'm doing, I am just literally smoothing it down. Like so. So I just went ahead and created my side part. I'm going to spray this section of hair just to make sure it's nice and wet. And just a quick note, this process has gone by so fast. I thought it would take me a whole lot longer for some reason, but no, it's going by extremely fast. I'll go ahead and just section off this smaller piece, all right? Just taking some gel and applying it to my hair, and of course doing like I did for all the other sections in my hair, and I'm just smoothing everything down like so. Getting my brush, smoothing my hair down. And just laying that nice and flat. Applying a ton of gel, y'all, a ton of gel. Take my brush and brush it backwards like this. So I'm brushing it behind the ears. My hair is done. This is really different for me because my hair is just, it's like laid. It's laid, y'all, but I think I do like it. Here is like a side profile of my hair. There we go. The curls are shrinking up. Here is this side of my hair. Got the waves going on. It does look really, really good, nice and neat. And then here is the back of my hair. There we go. So yeah, that is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna take this scarf here. It's just a simple headscarf. It's one of like the skinnier ones. And this will help the top portion of my hair lay really flat. And then next, I'm gonna take this scarf here. It's a medium-sized scarf from my store, Shopalera. I love how it feels, y'all. It's so soft. And it is silk, so it will not dry your hair out at all. And I just put it into a triangle and just wrap the scarf over my hair as well. And this will help to flatten just the rest of my hair. There we go. That's how my hair looks. Everything is laying just flat. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for just a couple of hours, and then I'll come back and show you guys how my hair is looking, the results, how I feel about it, and all that good stuff. So I will be back in a little bit. It is a few hours later and my hair feels like 50% dry. So we're getting there. I thought this will be an all-night process, but I did want to show you guys the final results. So let me go ahead and take down my scarf. Oh, and by the way, I did go ahead and add these little clips to the ends of my hair because I was trying to minimize at least some of the shrinkage. Like, y'all, it was just shrinking up so bad. So I figured, let me just add a little bit of weight to the ends of my hair and see if that helps. I think it did, but we'll see. So this is how my hair is looking. I will do a side profile for y'all just so y'all can see how it's coming along. And here is this side of my hair. So it is really, really flat. Yeah, it's really flat. It's definitely giving like the wet look vibes. It really looks like I just stepped out of the shower. So I could totally see myself wearing this hairstyle on a regular basis. Really, really, really do love it. I could totally see myself wearing this hairstyle to like the beach, the pool, heck, even to work, like on a random day whenever I just want a quick little hairstyle to get out the house. I could totally see it being a hairstyle that I can now work into my hair routine. So yeah, overall, I do love the results. I do prefer my wash and goes, my bigger hair over this hairstyle, but I do also love this hairstyle right here. So I really hope this video was fun for you guys to watch. It's different, but I like it. So yeah, just comment down below y'all's thoughts and what hairstyles you guys want to see me do next. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.